Yeah, that's one finger braking. Hello friends, welcome back. It's been a long time. I've been missing in action for I think a month or two. Right, so from the thumbnail you can see that I have upgraded my front master cylinder to a Brembo RCS 15 Corsa. And today I want to talk about it lah, because a lot of people ask me in Instagram or like in person. Yeah, so yeah, I think it's worth a little review lah. So what happened was my master cylinder, my front brake was leaking at that time. Then I'm like, okay, brake is leaking, it's not good, right? It's dangerous. So I decided to change to the stock brake. But in my mind I was like, okay, I wanted something nice actually. I've been wanting something nice for some time lah. And then I'm like, should I go for Brembo? But it's so damn expensive. And in the end, you know what? Add to cart, that's it. So yeah, Brembo RCS 15 Corta. So what's the difference between a Brembo brake and a stock brake? Right, it's huge. It's huge. So first of all, braking power. Don't get me wrong, the 390 stock brake is pretty good. It's quite good. It gets the job done. It stops quite well. But this is at another level. Why? Because at about 50 or 60 kilometers per hour, one finger braking is enough to set off the ABS. I'm serious. So that's like, it is quite crazy lah. Like 50 kilometers a second or maybe 60. If I press it now, like one finger, I pull it hard, ABS is gonna kick in for sure, because I tried that before. So yes, braking power is at least twice as good. So other than the braking power, of course lah, you pay so much, you know, for a brake, it must be better than stock, right? Other than braking power, the aesthetic lah, the design is just insanely beautiful. It's super nice. I mean, just the design of it. It's Brembo, guys, come on. And then the third thing is actually the amount of things that you can adjust lah. The first is the RCS, ratio click system, which is the number 18 and 20 you see in front. Yeah, that's actually adjustable. I didn't know that until I did my research. That actually sets the pin offset from the fulcrum. For me, if you ask me, I can tell the difference or not. I am not able to because I don't ride fast, and I mean like I don't ride aggressively, and which means I don't need to brake that hard. This is how I ride most of the time, just chill. I'm in love with bikes, not really a speed demon. Okay, so there's an RCS adjustment. There's the lever adjustment itself, like standard lever adjustment, the far or near, that one. And then the third one is the Corta knob, which you can see the Corta thing. It's in front there also. So there's these three things you can adjust mainly. So what does the Corta knob does is actually, it's something like a preload. You have normal mode, you have sports mode, you have race mode. Normal mode is just, okay, normal. Sports mode is like it already pre-pressed a bit, so the lever goes back a bit. And then race mode is even more, so it's like pre-pull a bit more. So the free play is lesser and lesser. So yeah, that's the adjustment about it. But as beautiful or as expensive or as good as this master cylinder get, it's still not perfect lah. Let me tell you why in a moment. Okay, let's talk about the things that I don't quite like about this master cylinder. Right, the first one is the free play. Look at the free play. If anyone knows how to solve this issue by like how to remove the free play or reduce the, not remove, like okay, reduce the free play, please let me know down in the comment section below, because there's like a lot of free play before the brakes actually engage. So yeah, my fingers are short, so it's gonna have a reach like quite far to, you know, actually stop the bike. If let's say I bring it really far back, right, which my finger is comfortable, and you can see under super heavy braking, this part of the lever, I'm not sure, okay, wait, if I bring it way back, right, this part of the lever might hit here, so it might be the limit and it'd be dangerous. So I've got no choice but to bring it up slightly. Okay. What else? Second thing that I don't quite like is the Corta dial. Look, there's normal, sports and race mode, right? Look at this lever when I adjust it. Sports. And then I go to race. I feel like this is too little of a difference, in my opinion lah. If Brembo could give us more, you know, like the gaps between them is slightly bigger, that'll be better. Yeah, because this is like what, 1mm difference. So between normal, sports and race is just like 1mm, 1mm, 1mm difference. It'd be great if it's like 2 or 3mm different. So yeah, maybe 1mm is all it needs for professional racers. I don't know, but yeah, I just wish that it has a bigger difference lah, because I cannot tell at all. So yeah, these are basically the two things that is not my favorite part of the master cylinder, but overall it's a really good master cylinder. It's a really good brake. But is it worth the price? I don't know. It's a really good brake. To me, not really. But if you want a Brembo, this is the amount of money you have to pay for. And the sad part is RCS 15, 15, 17 or 19, they cost about the same. Yeah. So is it overkill for a 390 Duke? Yeah, I think so. It is kind of overkill. Do you need that much of a brake? Normal riding, you go to work, you come back to work, come back from work. I don't think you need this at all. But if you go to the racetrack, yes, yeah, this would be great. For me, I just wanted something. I just wanted to try something premium. So yep, I bought it lah. Yeah, there's also a few things I want to tell you all. If you are using a 390 Duke and you want to change this brake, please make sure get another steel braided hose, because the stock hose is not long enough. So it's like 5 cm shorter or 4 cm shorter, somewhere around there. So yes, you definitely need slightly longer brake hose. Yeah, make sure to get the steel braided brake hose, okay? And then you need this bottle, the reservoir. You need this bracket, and if it's possible, get some special nuts so people don't steal your stuff. Because in Malaysia, yeah, there's a lot of people that steal Brembo stuff. Even brake levers or calipers, they just cut and then unscrew it and get the hell out of it. So yes, that's pretty much what I want to say. That's pretty much also what I want to share, because not many people are using Brembo brakes here, especially on a 390 Duke, because it's a small bike with, you know, such an expensive brake. Yeah, just take a look at that. It's beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all in the next video. Ciao.